Hello?
Hey,
What's your name?
Gary.
Gary, you heard the drill, right?
You have 60 seconds to keep the person on the phone.
Got it.
All right, the attendant at the convenience shop. All you can do is, let's go with a cluck on this one.
Cluck.
All you can do is cluck like a
the
chicken.
sheep.
You want to keep sheep?
Yeah.
Okay. All you can do is baa like a sheep. Let them, get into it a little bit with
Can I
you.
mix any words in there at all?
No,
No
not
words.
Not unless it's in sheep.
Okay.
We're calling the quick stop on
60
Memorial
seconds.
Drive.
Here we go.
Good morning. Quick stop, may I help you?
Meh.
Maurice,
Meh.
keep on playing, huh?
Meh. Meh.
I'm going to hang up on your door. When
No.
I get home, I'm going to whoop you.
No.
Watch.
Meh. Meh.
I'm finna hang up on your...
Meh. Oh. I was doing it.
For at least 30 seconds.
Seconds.
Oh, man, I'll
You
tell
gotta
you what.
call her back.
I'll
Give
tell
her,
you, yeah,
give
all
her
right,
another
we'll give her
shot.
another shot.
That was
Well, I'll tell you
great.
what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give somebody else a shot, but I'm gonna still give you Tom Jones tickets.
Oh, you are the man.
Yeah, 'cause that
you
was-
hold
that
on.
was
Man, I was busting a
Oh,
gut there.
Maurice.
Maurice, I'm gonna whip your ass when I get home.
What's your name here?
I'm Sherry. How
Sherry.
exactly am I supposed to follow up with Maurice?
You get the same woman.
You get the same. Here we go, Sherry.
As soon as I get home.
All right, down on Memorial Drive. Maurice is late for work.
Good morning. Quick stop, may I help you? Look, whoever this is calling playing on this phone, don't call here anymore unless you want to talk. Goodbye.
Okay.
That was a nice sad one.
All right, that's
well.
too bad.
The best of the Morning X on 99X. Barnes, Leslie, and Jimmy.
Maurice, keep on playing, huh?
The best of the Morning X. Thanks for listening. We hope there's no permanent damage. 99.